Going on, everybody, Grim Repair here. Today I'm going to show you how to change the rear brake pads on a 2017 Nissan Altima. First thing we're going to do is pop the hood. Then we're going to loosen the lid on the brake reservoir. Tools you're going to need are a 13/16 socket to remove the lug nuts, 14mm, a way to compress the brake pistons, brake parts cleaner, caliper grease, pads, a jack stands, and a torque wrench. Jack the vehicle up. Slide a jack stand under there. Gonna remove the hubcap with a large flathead screwdriver. Then we're gonna remove the lug nuts. And there are two bolts holding the caliper on. It's a 14mm. We're gonna go ahead and remove those. This top one has a rubber boot on the tip, and the bottom one does not. Slide the caliper up and out. Make sure that doesn't dangle by the brake hose. I'm going to pull these rubber boots off. I'm going to take some brake parts cleaner, clean those out. Give it time to evaporate. I'm going to pull the pads out. Notice that the inside pad has a warning bar here. Remove these clips. Pop the new clips in. Make sure you got the right ones. Sometimes your pads are going to come with more than you need for other applications. So just match them up. Make sure they're not touching the rotor. You'll hear a high-pitched squeaking if they are. Take one of the old pads, put it in there, and we're going to compress the brake piston. There you go. We're going to put these rubber boots back over those. Grease up the slide pins. Pop the new pads in. Make sure you put the one with the warning bar on the inside. And make sure the pad material is facing the rotor. We're going to slide the caliper back on. Put these rubber boots lined up with the holes. Tighten those back up. Put the wheel back on. The lug nuts started by hand. And we're going to tighten them in a crisscross pattern so the wheel seats evenly against the hub to 85 foot-pounds. I'm going to pop the hubcap back on and make sure you index the valve stem with this cutout here. And we're going to raise the vehicle back up. Pull the jack stand out. Lower the vehicle. Put the lid back on the master cylinder. Close the hood. And before you drive off, you want to make sure you pump your brakes until the pedal's firm. Otherwise the car won't stop very well. And that's it. High five, you did it.